Peace. The cobweb shimmers on the window in the early morning sun. My mind drifts back to a little English boy in Belfast, 1969. That Irish psyche has took me right around the world, from a little boy bullied in a playground to a world that became my playground. I'm an Englishman now at home in Ireland, so thank you. I'm going out to Clare Glen to sit there in the sun. I'll sit there in my wheelchair throne and ponder what I've seen and done. To feel the warmth upon my back, to know that we have won.